Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, showing guys how you can change the language on your Discord application. So you are just going to select user settings, then you are going to scroll down until you find language, which is under app settings. Then you're going to select it and you have a lot of options you can choose from: Danish, German, English, Spanish, French, Croatian, Italian, Lithuanian, Hungarian, Dutch, Norwegian, Polish, Portuguese, Romanian, Finnish, Swedish, Vietnamese, Turkish. Don't know how to say that. I'm so sorry. Greek. There's just a lot to choose from, and you're just going to select the one that you want. I'm just going to select Spanish for mine, just to give an example, but it's basically going to show you, as you can see, the interface. It's in Spanish. To change it back, I'm just going to go back to language, which is hopefully this one. Okay, and then I'm just going to select the English one because that's the only language I speak. Well, in Indonesian, but it's not here yet. So that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!